Well, welcome back again to your Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce. I'm Eric Toddy, Director of Membership and Sales. Katie Schneider is powering the technology behind the camera from Arvis, so we appreciate you doing that again, Katie, for us. And we started this Investor Spotlight series to help our businesses that joined during COVID. We weren't able to get around to everybody. Businesses were shut down or had different rules. So this Investor Spotlight series is going to cover those businesses that we couldn't get to with COVID. And today we are here at Tom's Door and Glass, and I'm with the owner, Tom. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Eric.
You bet. And why don't you just tell us a little bit about the services you provide?
Alrighty, we are a full service glass shop. We do everything from residential shower doors, commercial doors. We do picture frame glass if you need a picture frame glass. We can also help out with ADA, handicap accessible entrances, and quite a few other things.
Very cool. So you have been doing work all over the community. What are some of the projects you've been involved with?
Today we are down at Calico Rock doing the museum down there. We'll be down there today and tomorrow. We just finished the River Rock Inn across the street.
Right.
And we currently have jobs going in and out of town. We're up in Pontiac and as far as Bono.
All right. And you said you do shower installations as well?
Correct, yeah.
Wow.
Custom showers.
So anything to do with glass, you can do it.
Anything to do with glass.
All right, guys. Well, thanks again, Tom, for coming.
All right.
Guys, give Tom a call if you need it. It's 870-421-8224, and he'll be happy to serve you here in Mountain Home and the surrounding areas. So thanks again for joining us, and look forward to many more Investor Spotlight series brought to you by the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce. Have a good day.